The previous years were some of the darkest times for most people. For many of us, everything felt heavy and hopeless. We needed just a little light. To carry that mission, we built the Partners in Power Foundation. The foundation is here to lend a helping hand to Ilonggos. For the past 2 years, we have partnered with more than 20 organizations and worked together on different programs. And with each partner we made, our little light shined brighter. We also didn't forget those who struggled to shine on their own. That's why we helped in the energization of barangays in Iloilo City. Because of the foundation, they can now be their own light. We also endeavored to support different advocacies to build a bright and colorful Iloilo. With each project we supported, we hoped that we helped make their light shine a little brighter. And of course, we were not ignorant of the crisis our city faced. We made sure that our fellow Ilonggos would be spared from hunger. And for our dear frontliners, who risk their lives every day, they are the true heroes of this city. They are a symbol of hope for all of us, and their light shines the brightest. In the years to come, we will continue to extend a helping hand and be a little light to Iloilo City. We hope that we can work with more organizations and help more Ilonggos. Together, we can be a little light for our community. Together, we can shine brighter and be partners in power.